Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Isaiah and I'll talk about credit cards, travel, smart ways to use your points and to save money. Today I'm going to walk you through how I booked a flight for me and my wife from New York LaGuardia Airport to Montreal using my Chase Sapphire Preferred points through the Chase travel portal. And then I'm also going to show you how I transferred my points over to Hyatt and to book our hotel stay as well. This will be our last trip before our baby is born, and we wanted to go somewhere not too far from us. So if you're trying to figure out whether you should use your points in the travel portal or to transfer to partners, in this video, I'm going to give you a real life example of how I did both for this one trip. Okay, so first thing, what you normally would do is you search on Google Flights and see right here, I have the New York to Montreal. And the dates is October 17th through October 20th. Okay, and this right here is the flight that we want, leaving on the 17th of October, leaving at 7:05. Out of LaGuardia, you see right here, this trip is $500. But for this trip though, you don't get a carry-on included. So that's not great. And see the flight back. Just going to show you how much it will be if we were to book it through this site straight up. Let's see the flight back. This is the one that we want. All right. You see that it's $500, but again, like I said, you get no carry-on included. If we were to get the carry-on, which we really do need, it would be $650. So let's see. So it looks like this is Air Canada. So we're going to go to the Air Canada website and see what the difference is on there. All right. Let's see. 2 adults, 17th to 20th. Use airplane points. Yes. Load. There we go. All right. So the way that Air Canada works is they do the military time, so you got to make sure you account for that. And this is the flight right here. Let's see. Don't want the business class. All right, so for this one, it is 9,000 airplane points and $40 Canadian dollars. Select that one. God, this is taking forever. All right, for the return, we want, let's see, 16. That is 4 o'clock. Yes, this is the one we want. Okay, this one's also from 9,000 points plus 88 Canadian dollars. All right, select this. Select. This is what I picked. Well, oh my God. Don't have enough. Okay, so if we were to use 100% points, it will be 61,737 points. Okay, so normally when you're booking flights, I think it's because it's so close in advance to the trip, the points are going to be a little bit higher. So let's go to the Chase travel portal, see how the point differential is with that one. Alright, so right here we're on the Chase travel portal website here. Alright, so 2 travels. LaGuardia, Montreal, yes, those are right dates. Search flights. See, I got 91,000 points right now. All right, 7 p.m. Again, this is the flight that we want. Again, with this one, even though it's 19,000 points, you get no carry-on. And so I'm going to pick the standard one here for 25,000 points. Yes, choose flight. And for the flight back, we want, where is it? Where is it? All right, so we want this 4:40 p.m. You see right here, it's either $641 or 51,229 points, which is about 10,000 points cheaper than the Air Canada. So we're gonna add this trip. Right, get the carry-on, ticket change. All right. All right, then we're gonna hit next. All right, make sure everything's Gucci. Let's see, 7 p.m., 8:30. Returns the same, yes. All right, everything looks good. Ooh, promotion, what's this? If you choose towards your booking, expires 2026. Promo credit. Oh, it's actually not bad. So now with that promotion that I just found out about, the trip was going to cost us 47,228 points, which is pretty good too. All right, start checkout. All right, complete checkout. Okay, so now that the flight is booked, now I'm gonna go over to my Hyatt account and see how much the room there is gonna cost for our stay. Okay, here we are on Hyatt websites. 2 people. 4 days, the 17th through the 20th. Accessible. Use points. Whoops, should pick the place. Montreal. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go with this Hyatt Centric in Montreal. The place that we stayed in Portland was a Hyatt Centric, and we really liked that. That was the best hotel we stayed at. So we're gonna go with this one. All right, it is 12,000 a night. So we're staying for 3 nights, so that's gonna be 36,000 points. Let's see how many points I have right now. Got the 4,000 points that I have right now that I got from the workout promotion with the Hyatt Peloton through our stay in Portland. So I just need to transfer over 32,000 points, and we'll go through that right now. I'll go back to Chase. Okay, so we're in my Chase Sapphire Preferred account here. I'm gonna click on Benefits and Travel, click on Rewards, click on the Chase Sapphire Preferred again. And then we're gonna hit the Travel button up here up top. Then we're gonna click on Transfer Points to Partners. Then we'll scroll down to World of Hyatt, which I'm already enrolled. And transfer points. Yep. And I'm gonna transfer 32,000. Yes. Okay, and we're all set. The points have been transferred. So now we're gonna jump back to my Hyatt account here. Just refresh this. And boom, 36,100 points. Scroll down, select and book, and boom, we are booked. And it's just that simple. And that's how I booked a round trip for 2 people from LaGuardia to Montreal and a Hyatt stay, all with Chase points, no out-of-pocket flight costs, and a luxury hotel stay at a fraction of the price. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow, and let me know down in the comments below, do you usually redeem your points in the travel portal, or do you prefer to transfer them out to partners? And don't forget to subscribe for more content on credit cards, travel hacks, and how to get the most out of your rewards. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.